Hello, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we're going to be going over the Annual Preventative Maintenance Kit for the 1730E. Inside this kit, you will find a door gasket. The door gasket is an annual preventative maintenance part. However, if you are running back-to-back or consecutive cycles, this gasket might need to be changed more often. This PM kit comes with a single chamber right tablet. Chamber right should be used on a weekly basis to keep the chamber, the valves, and the reservoir clean. This kit comes with new valve stems and plungers, as well as a safety release valve and an air jet valve. Both of those are located inside the reservoir. And this kit comes with a preventative maintenance guide. This will show you how to change these parts. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support, and please like and follow. Thank you.